2019 is the 10th year of this comic strip contest. And this year I'm very proud that I've collected more than 30 pieces of hand-drawn pictures done by my students. And also close to 80 gigabytes of footage. Yeah, it's nuts, but I'm very satisfied indeed.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move.
It's an annual in-class project I always ask my students to do. Instead of giving them the traditional paper and pencil tests, I would rather see them apply English to make something real, something that combines knowledge of English with craftsmanship. And maybe you will say it's not fair to every student because their performance cannot be quantified, just like the standardized tests can do. But this whole process really provides me with more opportunities to get to know my students as a real person, not merely grades. For example,
copyright 这是我们的著作权。We can take a photo.
面是土拨鼠那样，还蛮像。
好，谢谢你们给我这么热情的反应。
Let's face the brutal fact that right now we can search for almost any knowledge on the internet. So what we should do instead is let our students take advantage of the shift and work on something real through our guidance and collaboration, communication with their peers. And as a teacher, I know I'm no longer the spoon-feeding but the filter role, whose aim is help students clarify areas where they need our assistance or they have doubts, misunderstandings. I'm very happy I'm in an era that resources are at our fingertips and diversity is respected. No matter how the results turn out to be, at least my students, they have already created a real thing that commemorates the effort they put into and experience they gained. That alone is worth doing. How many stickers did you get? How many? 1, 2, 10 stickers? Oh, crazy.
在这个过程学到团队合作，
还有想象力的重要。
不只是一个建议，就我未来如果想要大一的时候换我的话，会很有感觉。
谢谢大家，谢谢大家。
真的很谢谢大家投给我们。
Thank you again for the beautiful artwork you've created. I hope that you also enjoy this whole process. That you really work on something, not just getting information, knowledge without actually applying them to your real life.
会有事吗？
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.